Let's start this nightmare. Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Luigi, and I am here with...
Okay. Hi guys, BoyBlam123 here.
And we are playing Five Nights at Ronald's, the most creepiest Five Nights at Freddy's fan game ever. Look at him. Okay,
Oh god.
warning to little kids, do not watch this video. Please watch like some child-friendly videos. Alright, anyways, you ready to start this?
Yeah, sure. Watch Barney, or maybe watch Dora the Explorer. I don't know.
Yeah, message to the little kids, right?
Yeah. We don't want any kids seeing this, because it's scary. More horrifying.
Because the parents will probably be yelling. Like they would, I think Ronald McDonald will probably get them. Alright, look at this. Look, Hamburglar, Grimace, and, Mayor McCheese. Look who that is right there. Look who it is. It's Ronald.
Hey kids, watch this video. Shut up, Ronald.
Mac Ronald.
I know. Working here may be kind of scary. You'd be surprised at how disturbed an employee can get if he sits on the side of the place.
Hamburglar. Oh, he's right there.
Oh no. The next day, he returned and shot everyone at the place. Yeah, it was awful. After that day,
Oh no.
people stopped coming. So, we needed to bring our clients back. And we did it with the same technique.
There we go. It's working.
Whoa, what was that?
Oh, there's Hamburglar.
That happened to me too when I played. When I was playing on my computer. But they move at night too. And they are looking for someone. In this case, it's going to be you. You don't want them close to you.
Look, you see Ronald on the ground?
Doors to stop them. Lights to see them. And
Grimace?
cameras to know where they are.
Oh, he's right there, Hamburglar.
The purple too.
That's Grimace.
If you run out of power,
Look, he's like,
Grimace is the purple dude. Oh shoot.
what?
I've worked through my lord. And there's nothing to be afraid of. I swear. Well, that's it for today. Oh, I almost forgot. We once had an inflatable Ronald at the top of the restaurant. But it is now out of order, and we stored him in a box. The thing is,
What?
you may need to recharge the light of the room constantly. Grimace, get out of the ladies' room.
Grimace.
Get out of the artist girl bathroom.
Grimace, get out of the artist girl bathroom. Artist girl, do not hate us for that. We're just being silly.
Sorry, Lori.
Sorry, Lori. Please forgive us. We'll give you we'll give you 2 free double cheeseburgers.
We'll give you free candy. Oh, we gotta restart it.
Are you scared of this?
Yes. I'm a little bit scared.
What did I do? Oh, oops.
What the?
It's Grimace in there.
Let me check something quick.
Okay. Do you think this game is scary?
Yeah.
Grimace? Oh, he's right there. This game is pretty
Sorry.
simple.
I was just checking my Discord to see how my best friend Zerdy is. He's okay.
That's good. Tell
You're
Zerdy
not
we're doing a
wasting
video.
Power, Aiden, you're wasting a little power.
No, it doesn't matter. The time goes fast.
Careful.
Look at Hamburglar.
Oh no, he's in the ladies' room.
No, he's not. Look how sad he is.
Oh, okay.
It's Grimace that goes in there.
Wait, check. You're wasting a little power.
Doesn't matter.
Careful.
Doesn't matter. Yeah? Mom, I'm doing a video! Okay, sorry about that. Look!
Oh no.
Look at Grimace's face!
Hey, put down your camera.
Look, the Hamburglar. There's Grimace. kids, would you like a free hamburger? Hello kids, would you like a free hamburger? Oh, he's probably already there. Let's check.
Oh god! The FNAF reference. Five Nights at Freddy's, first one.
Alright, so, do you think this game is pretty creepy, though?
I raised my hand for this, because it is creepy.
Oh my god!
Oh god, he's still there.
Oh! Inflatable!
Hurry before the puppet McDonald comes out.
Puppet McDonald.
There's two Ronald McDonalds. The first one and the second one where it comes out of the box. Jack in the box, or like Ronald in the box.
Oh, that's good, that's good. Oh my god, we're doing good. He's still there!
Uh-oh. This is no good. Pray for it, Aiden.
Okay, we can actually do this. Is the power already
Pray for
out?
6 a.m. Pray for 6 a.m.
Okay, let's pray for 6 a.m. I think we can do this. I think we can actually do this.
I'm coming to get you, Aiden.
Yes! Oh yeah, Ronald! Take a fist in the face! Hold on.
Ronald McDonald. You were punching kids, and I don't like you anymore.
Mom, I'm doing the video! Mom, I'm doing the video! Mom, I was doing the video! You ready? Are you ready for night 2?
Alright, let's go.
Are you scared?
Yes, I'm scared. Okay, we'll see if you can do night 2 or not. Oh yeah, I know the character that is playing as Foxy.
The chicken!
Her name's Birdie.
What just happened?
Sorry, hang on. I gotta tell her.
Alright, so so this is completely a weird glitch though. So let's just start the game again.
Okay.
Hold on. Do you think that's a weird glitch?
I don't know.
Night 2. Hopefully the power up thing doesn't happen, right?
Right.
Because I think the game developer says it's a glitch, I think. Alright, there they are.
Yeah. Sure.
Are you scared of this?
Kind of.
Oh! The Hamburglar.
Hey there. Welcome to your second day of work. I'm sure you know the Hamburglar, right? One of Ronald McDonald's friends. Well, he had a fight with him, and became friends with him. Alright? Also, you should keep an eye on the chicken and
The chickie, the cluckety cluck. Oh, Hamburglar's. Birdie, yeah.
My son is in the hospital.
I feel so bad for his son.
Well, that's all for today.
Grimace.
The ladies are in purple, dude.
It's like do a girl's voice screaming. Do a girl scream when they see Grimace walking. And like they'll freak out. Grimace is like saying, "The boys' bathroom is locked." Oh, Hamburglar. Do you think it's annoying to recharge it, like the light thing?
I know, right?
Oh!
Especially the music box. Oh shoot! Hamburger.
Okay, he was already there. Is he there?
Hamburger.
Grimace. Oh!
No!
Chicken.
It's Foxy Chicken.
Oh, he's right there. That's good. Birdie is the chicken, right?
Yeah, Birdie.
Yeah, Birdie, yeah. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh god! What the heck?
The heck was that, right? Is he there?
I know, right?
Oh, Hamburglar's right there. Ah! Grimace!
Oh god, he's coming!
Yeah? I'm doing a video!
Aiden! Careful, lady, careful!
Oh my god. Oh!
Oh god!
I'm doing a video. Okay. Anyways, I have to go eat though. But anyways, I hope you guys like that gameplay of 5 Minutes of Ronald, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everybody. Don't let Ronald McDonald get you.
Yeah, have a great cheeseburger day.